I think not just cricket, all this is going to be extended to all the sports that is possible, but somebody has to start somewhere. And I think university sports, I used to play in school, I used to play for the colleges, I've played for the university. And I truly believe, and I'd like to say this at this moment, that whatever I am today uh, has been actually learned through sports at those levels, at the school level, at the university level. And I do feel if we need to promote sports, in this country, even though we are starting with cricket and there will be a lot of questioning about that. I think it's important we start at the grassroots level, and nothing better than starting it at an All India University level. I think this is one of the finest initiatives apart from Marks for Sports that NETV has, and if it's a part of that, I wish you all the best, and any aspect that I could be part of, just as a spokesperson, just as a pretty face, or just to come down and play for it, I'd only be too happy and feel very honored that you guys have called me here. I just personally feel that in every field of life that we finally choose to be in, whether we are going to be running a news channel or make cars or become politicians or become actors, I think the main thing that goads everyone on to go do better is appreciation. And if you take sports at a level where in colleges and schools and at lower levels, where, like Shashi Saab said, there used to be 2,000-3,000 people with lozenges screaming their lungs out. I think it's an amazing feeling for a youngster to understand that kind of appreciation. Not each one of them is going to represent the country. Not each one of them may play the IPL. Not each one of them may make it to the state level either. But they understand the value of appreciation, live, the screams, the shouts, the fact that some of them are put up as heroes and heroines when they play sports. And, that kind of thing encourages you a lot. And that happens live only in sports. I know you do very well at chemistry. I don't think the whole classroom starts going, yo, go, do it. It's very good to do well in chemistry. It's fantastic to excel in math. But, it never happens that the whole classroom is going, rah, 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 bravo, bravo. The first place that you see it in childhood is from gully cricket or gully football or, gully badminton to the university level. And I think steps like this in every sport, inshallah, as you go along, I hope other people also take cue, other sponsors come on front. I'm a big believer that whatever part of job that kids are allowed or nurtured to grow into, it should be backed by great businesses. It should be backed by a lot of appreciation and eyeballs, like it is going to be now. The 8 teams that qualify for the finals in Rohinton Bharia tournament, they play the T20 kind of format of IPL, which will be covered like all IPL and other cricket matches are covered, with great camera work and high speed and commentary. And please call me for, you and I should go and do a bit of commentary for one of the matches. Done. And the awards are going to be there. I hear there's some prize money for the man of the series, man of the match. I think all this is going to make the youngster want to do well, not just in the sport part of it, just in life. So I think this is really, I'm extremely thrilled personally that something like this has happened. I really feel that, last 20 years while working as an actor, I started, thinking only of, what I do. And I had lost, in a certain sense, the feeling of losing, winning, wanting to win, losing, but still not feeling like a loser. And IPL did help me a lot. Forget the commerce part of it, the hype and, the controversies and everything. But it really has helped me. And forget me, I've got little kids who have, I think, gotten more interested into valuing, the struggle that you need to do in life and overcoming it, getting defeated, coming back, trying it again and again, all that because of this one small little thing that has come into their lives because of their father's interest in sports. And I hope this, and I really, I think soccer, football, hockey, badminton, everything. I think if we are able to, speak to all the universities, speak to colleges, wonderful sponsors like Coke, Toyota, everyone should come forward and make it extremely commercially viable, not in terms of payments for kids, but eyeballs for kids. When you have channels like yourself, I'm sure you're requesting other people to put it on board, shoot it beautifully. It feels really cool to be, well known. Right. I think everybody wants to have that little fame. And I'm extremely thrilled this has started.